New turn signal bulbs are in. And I think they're really frickin' bright. Now for the strobe effect. These are 42. Sorry, these are 4,200 lumens LED blinker. And the only reason they're going fast is because I can't fit them on the other side of my, well, you can't see. I can't fit all 4 of them in. Ugh. There's a turn signal bulb here, and they fit. There's a turn signal bulb here, and they don't fit. And if they did, they have built-in resistors. But, anyways, just wanted to show you how bright those are. And that I got my wheels put on today. I'll have a better video. So, you guys have a good night.